Green economy is an industry that attitudes to the nature and natural resources are careful and use resources that can be recovered quickly. These are its main areas. The first is renewable energy sources. The biggest event, Expo 2017, is dedicated to this specific topic. That is the future of energy. Every second the sun supplies the earth with 80,000 billion kilowatts. Just think about it. It's 10,000 times more than humanity consumes for its own needs. The wind is the second most renewable energy source. Across 2% of Kazakhstan's territory, the average annual wind speed exceeds 7 meters per second. The use of such wind power can give about 1 trillion kilowatts per year, and this is 50 times more than is consumed in our country. At the same time, new technologies allow not only for the production of cheap energy, but also the ability to use it efficiently. The widely used light-emitting diode lamps consume 10 times less energy than incandescent lamps, and they shine brighter. And they can serve for almost 10 years. Kazakhstan is developing the production of solar batteries, wind power stations, and energy-saving lamps intensively. The second is environmental protection. The forest is called the lungs of our planet, but to date, around 40% of the forest areas in the world have been cut down. When this indicator reaches 50%, all glaciers may melt, and there will be an acute shortage of drinking water. Many governments have focused their efforts on forest restoration. Back in 2005, a youth movement, Jazil Yel, was established in our country. 260,000 young environmental activists began cleaning grounds and water reservoirs, restoring riverheads and forests. They planted nearly 45 million trees in the area of 150,000 hectares within 11 years. Every school child can join this movement. The third is waste recycling. According to experts, only in our country there are 100 million tons of domestic waste, 700 million tons of industrial waste, 92 million tons of livestock waste. What can be done about this? Waste recycling is an important and very interesting challenge because all natural elements of the earth can be found in waste, and it is easier to recycle them than to extract them from the ore. For this reason, entire sorting and recycling waste plants are being built in the cities. They allow us to use garbage and waste for the production of new goods. More than 40 waste recycling plants will be launched in our country by 2020. The ancients say, nature is not inherited from our ancestors, but it is borrowed from our descendants. This is the main task of the green economy, to make progress without sacrificing natural resources, but by preserving and multiplying them for the next generations.